Hey there, Ninja Tech Packers. I'm guessing you're all ninjas, because why else would you be here to check out the Insta360 Go 3, the tiniest, most badass camera ever? Oh, that's right, because it now comes in black. In this video, I'm going to show you the black Go 3 and how it looks next to the white one. Now, I've got loads of videos about the Go 3, its features and how to use it in the video description and playlists, and people say they find them super helpful. But in this video, I'm going to show you just the camera, just the Go 3 Black and its capabilities, because everything else remains pretty much the same. I want to give a quick shout out to Insta360 for sending me this to show you all. All right, let's get going. Check this out. The new Go 3 looks amazing right out of the box. The camera unit has a nice matte finish that feels good to touch. It's a bit grippy, but not too slippery. I'm curious to see how the finish holds up, but my initial impression is that it's just as well made and finished as the white Go 3. And my first impression is all you'll be able to get in this video, because this landed with me only about 4 hours ago. Here's the Action Pod 2, which feels just as good as the white version. The Go 3 Black makes a tiny rustle compared to the white version when you rub it, giving you a clue about how different that finish is. I hope you'll be able to pick that up on the mic right here. Alright, time to show you around my local neighbourhood here in Wellington, New Zealand, to showcase just a small sample of what the Go 3 can do and how this Insta360 Go 3 Black looks while I'm filming out and about. Okay, so I'm down here by the shoreline here in Wellington, New Zealand. This is the south coast and I'm in vlogging mode here. This is 2.7K footage at 30 frames per second, which is the max you're going to get out of the Go 3. I've got two mics working here. This is on directional mic. You also have a stereo mic mode and you also have wind reduction mic mode as well. You can see all the tests that I've done on a specific video on mics on the Go 3, and you can find that in the video description, as well as lots and lots of other things too. But hey, you can see how wide this comes out, and at the moment the exposure is being balanced for my face rather than everything else that's around me. There is a different matrix exposure mode as well, and you should be able to pick up the sea lapping on the shore, and maybe even my feet crunching on the gravel as I'm walking around too. There you go, there's the sea right behind me here, and that's probably a little bit of a better view of my face. One thing I'm going to love about this camera is how low key it's going to look. Look at how it looks on the hat clip compared to the white Go 3, and on the pendant as well. So you can see the black Go 3 here on my hat clip on my hat, and that's what it looks like. And now you can see the white version, which stands out a lot more, I think you'll agree. So you can compare that with the black version again, just so you can make sure you know what it looks like. I actually think this looks really good. And you can also see on the pendant clip, it looks a lot more low key as well. So that's the black on the pendant clip, and here's the white on the pendant clip. I have to say, I am really loving the black's low-key look, and here they are both together for you to check them out. Yeah, look at that. Look how little it stands out compared to the Go 3 white version. I think it looks superb, to be honest. It's like having a Go 3 in stealth mode, especially if you turn off those indicator lights. I wouldn't do that all the time because I actually find them helpful, but sometimes it could be a really interesting way to go. Legit uses only though, please. You're going to love this video next if you're interested in the Go 3, and I have playlists and in-depth starter guides too. Travel light, travel easy, and I'll see you out there.